everyone again. Actually it's Friday afternoon at the shop. Just did a little polishing on this English Sideboard 1820s English, and we'll talk about it actually. It has an original varnish and has been restored, so a lot of the old polish was able to blend in nicely with the top. You can see that the top is one fletch of veneer, which is Cuban mahogany, and then it has stringing here of walnut stringing, and then it has cross banding of mahogany along the sides here. There's a nice mellow sheen to this finish on the top, and then if you look at the bottom, as we go down, you have all this side banding here of mahogany, and then the drawers have this wonderful lotus leaf inlay of walnut with this escutcheon, original ring pulls with its rosette on the background. And okay, we'll keep on going down here. Then you have nice turn feet with the nice little curly cues here, ending up in a tapered bottom, 1820s English. A nice pull-out drawer. It's actually a sideboard, English sideboard. Again, if you pull it out, you can see it's period age. Nobody can fool you on that one. There's a nice patina, and it's got its dovetails. And this one also has a lovely, bottom one to it as well, kind of an extra. In its age, it still has a very contemporary look. That needs a bit of wax. So also another thing that you need to know about an English piece is the drawers are very deep because the Brits like to hide their booze. There we go, put that in there so you could see. You can actually hide a bottle of booze in there, look. So, thing is here, look at the beautiful pinstripe dovetails on this. Deep, original lock. Just put that in there to show you guys. So that's now sound effects. Did you get that? Careful, let's shook up the wine. Waxing every day. Just Kipper's wax is a good one to do this. Clear, dark brown, and medium brown, and it has carnauba. That's what I finished off doing this with today. It's hard wax, and it's good for this type of stuff. And look at the tulips, how nice that set that off. So, and very clean lines. Very nice piece. Actually, if you wanted to, you could put a marble slab on top of this and give you a bar look. If you wanted to have booze on top of here with a Carrera marble or something on top. But as is, a great piece.